Okay, Stumpy, be good girl.
I won't get that close.
That's
Me neither.
no, I not recommend it.
Guess she was waiting on my dog one time. My dog.
With the dog.
Busted loose over here. The gator was right over there in the water. And she run over this way. My dog loves the water.
You have visitors, you see.
She got right back out.
Yep.
She got in one more time. And then next thing, when she got out again.
How are you doing? Hmm? How are you doing? Hmm? You're beautiful. Hmm? Are you beautiful? Yeah, I saw your mama over there. Look at those eyes. Hmm? Beautiful creature. Have a nice Sunday. Look at you.